Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where you are preparing for school or university or international tests like SAT, ACT. This channel supports you. On this channel, we will cover many Olympiad math problems, competitive exams, and international maths, O levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE, and many other exams using smart techniques instead of long calculations. So if you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 because in this channel you will find complete solution of many mathematical problems. Today Olympiad math problem is 3a minus 3b equals 3 and 3 raised to power a plus b equals 3. Many students fail in Olympiad math because they use long method. But today I will show you a short and smart solution. So don't skip this video because one small idea will change the whole question. Now we will start solving this. First of all, we will consider first equation, that is 3 raised to power a minus 3 raised to power b equals 3. This is the equation 1. And other one is 3 raised to power a plus b equals 3. This is the equation 2. Now we can write 3 raised to power a plus b can be 3 raised to power a, 3 raised to power b, that equals 3. Now make a supposition here, let 3 raised to power a equals x and 3 raised to power b equals y. So our original equations will become x minus y equals 3 and xy equals 3. Now we have to solve this. For this purpose, we have to find the value of x square plus y square. So how we will find this value? We will take the square of x minus y whole square and 3 square. X minus y whole square means x square plus y square minus 3 of xy minus 2 of xy, and that equals 9. Now substitute the value of xy inside this equation. So what will happen? You got x square plus y square equals 9 plus 2 of xy. Substitute value inside it. So xy is 3. So 9 plus 6 will be 15. So you got value of x square plus y square equals 15. Now after finding the value of x square plus y square, that is 15, and you have to find the value of, then we will do another. Now we will consider that x plus y whole square equals what? So x plus y equal whole square equals x square plus y squared plus 2 of xy. Now substitute values inside it. So you get x square plus y square equals 15. Then plus 2 into xy is 3. So 15 plus 6 is 21. But what will be the value of x square plus y square? So x square plus y square equals plus minus root 21. So this is the value of x square plus y square, root 21, and the value of x minus y is 3. So this will be x plus y value. Now we will write the solution of this, that there are two types of solution we got from this. Write this here. First one is you got x plus y equals plus root 21 and x minus y equals 3. and x plus y equals minus root 21 and x minus y is 3. Now these are the two sets of equation. So how we will solve this further? We will solve this as we get, and for both of them we have the value of xy is 3. Now for this set we will consider s, that is the sum of roots, is 21 and p, that is the product, is 3. So this will become in a quadratic equation, that is b square. Consider or we will consider another variable because b is used inside this, so we consider this as u square. So u square minus s of u plus p equals 0. Now substitute the values, you get u square minus root 21u minus 3 equals 0. Now apply the quadratic formula in this, so u equals root 21 plus minus u square means 21 minus 4ac means 4 into 1, and then this is positive, so 21 minus 12, that will be the 9 divided by 2 of a, so 2. So u will equals 21 plus minus 3 divided by 2, because 21 minus 12 is 9, so 9 is the root of 3, so plus minus. So you get two values, u1 is, there are two roots, that u1 is plus root 3 and u2 is minus root 3. There are two possibilities for this one. So we will write this as, this will become equals that x equals root 21 plus 3 divided by 2 and y equals root 21 minus 3 divided by 2. So these are the two values for this one. Now we will solve this further. This is for the negative one. Similarly, we can write this as, we consider 3 raised to power a equals x. So substitutes its value inside this equation and get the final answer. You get 3 raised to power a equals x. So you have to find the value of a. So a log of 3 equals log of x. Then a will equals, what is the value of x? Log root 21 plus 3 divided by 2, and this will be divided by log of 3. This is the value of a. And now how to find the value of b? So b equals, because 3 power b equals y, so b equals log of y divided by log of 3. So what is the value of y? We get log of root 21 minus 3 divided by 2 and divided by log of 3. This is the value of b and this is the value of a. Now you can find easily the value of a and b. So if you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe this channel, because in this channel you will find the complete solution of many Olympiad math problems, A levels, O levels, IGCSE, GCSE and many other exams. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.